This video will show you how to best use the Smeg Hand Mixer. Firstly, select the correct attachment to insert. The beater attachments are ideal for mixing cake batters, frosting and buttercreams, and cookie dough. With the whisk attachment, you're able to create light meringues, fluffy whipped cream, and smooth sauces. The dough hooks are needed for thick doughs, such as bread, pasta, and pizza. The accessories must be inserted into the correct side of the mixer. One will have a circle and one will have an octagon. Pair these with the attachment slots in the mixer with the same shape. Once plugged in, press the power button on the control screen. This will enter into standby mode. You can then use the plus and minus keys to increase and decrease the speed. To activate the turbo function, press and hold on the plus button. This will run the mixer on the highest power until the plus button is released. To turn off the mixer, press the power button. Release the mixing attachments by pressing the trigger release. For information on how to clean the attachments, please click on the link in the description. If you found this useful, please like the video. And if you'd like to learn more about the Smeg Hand Mixer, please check out our other videos.